Hi, I'm David from Rubix Battery.
And I'm James, and today we're going to give you a sneak peek of our stack battery series. We're going to take a look at it inside and out. Let's go.
So here's the LCD where you'll be able to see voltage, amperage, wattage, and SOC. So here we have the master battery showing it's 0, and that will change to slave 1, slave 2, so on and so forth. If you swipe, you'll be able to go through the different pages displaying the info and the health of the battery, like temperatures, cell voltages, including the differential, allowing you to have peace of mind or alerting you when there is a potential problem. And there's also an info page where you'll be able to take a smartphone, scan the QR code, go directly to our website. There's phone number information, and there's also a password that basically allows you to protect the critical settings that are only accessed by the installer. One thing that we implemented in this display, regardless of which page you're on, you can swipe down from the top and go to the home page. The lock icon will allow you to access the settings without having to re-enter the password as long as the lock icon is unlocked. There is a 30-second timeout on that, allowing an installer to set up the batteries, enter the password once, and be able to adjust settings without having to constantly re-enter the password.
So this battery is designed with installation background. It's super installer friendly. We've got 2 handles on each side. And David, let's turn this thing around and just show the camera what we've got in the back here. So this is our wiring compartment. So we're big fans of magnets. Our terminal covers are magnetic. And the overall wiring compartment cover is also magnetic. Each battery comes with the accessories you need for a super easy installation. We've got bus bars. There's one for positive, negative, as well as one for grounding purposes.
So looking at this RPSD terminal block, that is for rapid shutdown for UL applications, which allows the batteries to be shut down from an external switch, allowing a fireman to safely shut down the power in case of a fire. You have run alarm lights, status lights for the SOC. There is RS-45 communications for computer diagnostics, a CAN bus port for closed-loop communication to the inverter, and then the battery in and out ports are for the internal communications to allow the modules to work together seamlessly, and then also a power on-off switch.
So David, tell me what are the benefits of actually networking these batteries together?
One thing that allows us to do is display the average SOC and also allow the batteries to work together as one complete unit, allowing the master battery to communicate the proper information to the inverter, allowing for seamless closed-loop communication.
So basically it ties the whole system together is what you're saying. Let's take a look at the inside of the battery. So there's a protection mat on top of the cells. David, what are we looking at here with this? What is it, a mat with silver circles?
It's actually a CCS system combining flexible circuit boards along with the actual current carrying bus bars, tying each individual module or group of cells together. And this is actually set up with a fixed string system where the temperature sensors are printed on the circuit boards come together, they sandwich the bus bars in place, and everything is perfectly aligned every single time, and also your cell taps are directly in place with the printed circuit board. This allows connections to our temperature sensors and all our cell voltages to be perfectly accurate and done by machine.
So in essence, instead of having loose wires run all over the place, we're running it through this CCS.
Exactly. Yes, much more
Cool.
Professional installation. This should allow for a much better reliable system long term.
And here we have the custom bus bars that we use instead of cabling. Many batteries feature cabling, which may include 3 or 4 individual smaller cables bunched together. The bus bar system we're using here is a lot more robust and reliable, also mitigates the chances margin of error. So each battery is breakered individually. In building a battery, it's super important to make sure that all your cells are well contained. So if cells are well contained and you have some kind of an accident, let's say you're shipping freight, installer tips your battery, you can have the confidence that with a metal bar running on top of the cells and with containment on all 4 sides, your cell is simply not going to go anywhere. We are super excited to announce that we have just completed our EMP testing. So if you need a battery that's nuke ready, here you go. Our battery sustained 5 pulses in 5 minutes, 50,000 volts per meter. And the battery did not at all shut off during those 5 pulses.
That's incredible, James. Where can the people find the documentation proving that we actually tested this?
It's on our website.
Amazing.
Yep, and hopefully don't get bored because there's pages and pages and pages and pages of certification.